If you're like me and love having greenery around the house, but you're very picky about artificial plants, well, take a look at this one. So this 6-foot artificial olive tree was sent to me for my feedback, and honestly, I was really impressed with how nice and easy it was to set up. It comes in a few sections and all the parts are labeled, so there's really no guessing involved. You just attach the sections together, you connect the branches, and that's basically it. The only thing you need to do after putting it together is to spend a little time fluffing it up. Just spread out the branches and gently adjust the leaves until you get the shape and fullness that you like. And I actually think that's an important step with any artificial tree because it makes such a big difference in how natural it looks. I'm pretty careful when it comes to artificial greenery. I really don't like when you can immediately tell that a plant is fake. But I think this olive tree does a really nice job of looking realistic. The leaves have this soft, natural appearance, and I love the little olive accents and the look of the trunk. I also really like the size. It's 6 feet tall. It adds a nice vertical element to any room without taking up a huge amount of floor space. And of course, you get all the benefits of artificial greenery, no watering, no sunlight, no pruning, and no worrying about keeping a real plant alive. And can we talk about this basket? I think it's super cute. I love the natural cotton texture. It gives the whole thing a warmer, more finished look, and it works really well with different styles of home decor. So if you're particular about artificial plants looking too artificial, take a look at this one.